Welcome back to another tutorial, and this time we're going to talk about number system conversion techniques. So let's start. The first rule is if you want to convert decimal number to any number system, then you have to use the division method. What I said was that if you want to convert any decimal number into binary, hexadecimal, or octal, then you have to use the division method, and we will divide the number with the base of that number in which you want to convert. Let's see an example. Consider that is 72, and this is the decimal number, and we are going to divide it with base 2. That is binary number because we have to convert this number into binary. So after dividing, the result is 36 and the remainder is 0. Again, we're going to divide it with 2 and then the result is 18. The remainder is 0. Again, 2, 9, the remainder is 0, 2, and then 4, and then the remainder is 1, 2, and then remainder is 0, 1, and then the remainder is 0. So the answer is 72 base 10 is equals to 1000000 base 2. So take note of the direction, okay? It's going up. Okay, here are the remainders and the quotient and the divisor. So if you want to convert any decimal number system properly, so if it's octal, so you divide it with 8. Similarly, if you want to convert decimal number into hexadecimal, then you have to divide it with hexa base, and that is 16. So another rule is if you want to convert any number, octal, binary, hexadecimal to decimal number system, then you have to use multiplication method. If you want to go from binary to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, octal to binary, you have to use the multiplication method. For example, if you want to convert binary to decimal, then you will multiply binary with the base of the binary. 2, 1 multiply 2 plus, and then so you have 0, and then you have the result 7. Then same like if you would like to convert from octal to decimal, then you have to multiply decimal number with the base of octal, and so on and so forth. And similarly for hexadecimal to decimal, then you have to multiply with the base of hexadecimal, which is 16. So multiply digits of number with their weights as I discussed okay. So now the third rule is if you want to convert any number system to any use bit system, or all you have to do is to first convert it to decimal and then into another system. So here is the picture that you can see. If you want to go from hexa to the octal, octal to the, and so on and so forth. So you have to pass through the binary. Okay, or you have to use the bit method. Indirect method, let's discuss how to use bit method. So the decimal is not here. That is why any two number system. If you have to go decimal to any number system, then you have to divide it. You have from any number system, then you have to use the bit method. So this is how to use the bit method. So this is the table, and this is the formula. You will use the power of 2, 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, 2 raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. And then we're going to write 4 variables here, and okay, so you have 8 zeros and 8 ones. After those 4 zeros and 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, and so on and so forth. And lastly is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So we're going to use this table to convert any number to hexa to binary. If you want to convert octal, then you have to take 2 raised to the power of 3, which is because that is octal, it uses 3 bits. And you are going to make this 3 instead of 4, you are going to use the 3 column table. So this is the number 2a raised to the power 2a base 16. So how to convert this to binary? So you have your 2a. So a in hexadecimal number system, it is actually 10, and the number in binary will be 2 is equals to 0010, and 10a is equals to 1010. So how? Look at the table. Is there any bit equal or less than 2? Yes. Here is 2. So we will turn this bit on, and then we will put zeros in all the others because you are using just the 2. Okay. Now look at the table. Is there any bit equal or less than 10? Because now we're going to convert another digit, which is hexa, which is 10 or a. So that is, so there's no digit equal to 10, but less than, that is 8. So we're going to turn on 8, and 10 minus 8 is equals to 2. So let's look for 2. So that means we're going to turn on that bit. So you have now 1010. So that is 8 plus 2, and that is why you have 10. So that is for letter A. So that's the combination. 2A, 2 is the 0010, and then the A is 10 and 10. That is the bit number system. Okay, so in summary, is that up till now we have learned the conversion rules, and decimal to any number we use division method. If any number system to decimal, we use multiplication method. So that will be all for number conversion system. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.